Hey, welcome back to another video. Ray here. I'm about to put the transmission back in. Left you on a cliffhanger last video. Always wanted to do that. And here I am. So this is my third time installing this transmission. So getting pretty good at it. Yeah, we'll get it put in. Hopefully it works. It's supposed to rain for the next 3 hours, so I won't be able to test drive it, but hopefully after that it'll clear up. We'll see if it goes back and forth a little bit. I probably have to readjust my carburetor again because it was all messed up last time. So yeah, we'll get this transmission put in and see if it works. All right, so I was able to record most of that, I think. My phone ran out of space, so I don't know how much of that you got. Just a lot of messing around. I had to readjust my shift linkage. I don't know if you saw it, I had to drop my valve body again. The kick down lever wasn't in the right place when I put it on, so caught that before I messed something up, so that was good. Got that installed. Yeah, everything should be ready to go. Only missed one thing. I don't know if I caught it or not, but me dropping a ratchet on my face, right about here, like right in the corner. Yeah, it was that hurt. So, but note to self: don't be looking right at. You got to move to the left or something. You know, don't be right under where you got your slippery ratchet. So here what am I doing? Oh, I'm about to put fluid in. So yeah, I'll probably set you up and guess we can watch that. running. It goes back, it goes forward. Of course, it's raining out right now, so I'm not taking for a drive. I feel like the idle's just a touch high, but yeah, she's ready to go for a spin. I gotta torque the tires first though, I gotta do that. Yeah. I gotta figure out how to adjust my carburetor. Might do that right now while I have time. Everything's charging, fan's running, you can hear it. I got decent vacuum, I think. 14, it was a little higher earlier, so I gotta figure that. I feel like my choke isn't coming off all the way. I feel like it should be like more like that, but I don't know. I gotta figure out how this works. I haven't touched the choke or the high idle or anything yet on an S, so yeah. I'll come back when I get that figured out, I guess. Hey, well, it is a day later. Yeah, sun shining, beautiful day. So, I'm gonna go for a first drive. I am very nervous. I torqued all my wheels. I checked all my suspension bolts yesterday. Everything's tight. Should be okay. Yeah, I gave one more polish. Just gave a little wax job. Yeah, I'm gonna see if it starts. We'll get it warmed up. And might just check under the hood, make sure I didn't miss anything there. I still have my vacuum gauge hooked up. It'll ride where it is. Now to tune this carb well, in the manual it says you should drive it along while looking at a vacuum gauge. So I'm going to attempt that at some point. Probably not today. I'm just going to take it for a little spin down the road, the gas station, get some gas. Maybe hit a side road, and we'll see how it looks. There are no leaks overnight from the looks of it. I don't see anything. Yeah. No, everything looks all right. No leaks. So we will fire it up and take it for a spin. I'll see if I can somehow mount a camera so we can tag along. So, okay, this may or may not work. We'll see. All right. So nervous. Oh. That's one thing I gotta do. Let it warm up a little bit. Grab a seatbelt. Might have to adjust my fast idle setting on my carb. Good oil pressure. Alright, going in reverse. Steering's okay. Check. Brakes are working. Smooth shift. There's 3. Driving straight down the road. Steering wheel's a little crooked, but that's fine. Brakes are working. Good. Speedometer's in miles per hour though, so I gotta remember that. Oh, there's a puddle. There we go. We made it. Right. There it is. After its first drive. Sun's coming out. God. The guys at the gas station liked it anyway. I had a teenager take a photo of it. First time out, so I think it's looking good. You can really see the paint kind of sparkle now. But yeah, a couple minor things. The window, as soon as you put it all the way up, it howls, which isn't a big deal. I can change that. Yeah, steering wheel's off, but that's not surprising. Drives straight, so that's good. Yeah, no weird noises, nothing. So I spilled a little gas when I was filling it, but yeah. That's it. I don't know what else to say. I need an alignment. But yeah, first test run in the books. So I still have to do a little bit of tuning on it, but that'll be maybe for another day, another video. I don't know. But anyways, that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.